Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming essentials: power, permissions, and compatibility. This saves time. Once done, set up a clean workspace and connect the tool. You open the Settings tool and sign in. Select the correct device or profile so changes apply where intended. Make sure to note current values before editing because you may need to revert. Start with core options like input sources and measurement units, then move immediately to the first adjustable parameter to validate connectivity and response. Once connected, focus on the complex middle tasks. Adjust primary parameters such as input type, scale, units, and threshold values. You should use test or preview mode to validate each change. This explains why incremental edits reduce risk. Make sure to adjust dependent options like timing, sensitivity, and backup schedules so the system behaves consistently. If you hit unexpected behavior, pause and check logs or revert the last change. This saves you from cascading errors and preserves stability. To finish, save your changes and run a full validation against baseline values so you confirm expected operation. Create a restore point and export the settings file. This makes recovery simple if something goes wrong. Document what you changed and why, then monitor performance for a short period. If you encounter instability, check system logs for errors and reapply defaults for the affected module. This is the single most effective troubleshooting step to isolate configuration faults quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.